I'm here with Mischa, a member of our Synopsys R&D team. In this demonstration, we're talking about how our embedded EV6x vision processor with deep learning engine can offload the workload from an application processor, saving power and increasing performance. Specifically in this case, Android. Mischa, can you tell us more?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Gordon. So what we see here is a host system that runs Android, and in this case it's Android 8.1 Oreo. And starting from Android 8.1, there is this new feature which is called the Neural Network API, which allows people to offload their neural network workloads to accelerators such as the GPU, but also application-specific accelerators like our EV6x plus CNN 880 processor. So what we have here is the TensorFlow Lite camera demo app that anyone can download from the internet. It's open source, and we adjusted a little bit to have this Synopsys logo and a knob to turn on and off the EV6x acceleration.
So it's running MobileNet?
It's running MobileNet 224, and basically what this does, it is classifying the image that you see here, and it gives you the most likely categories. So as you can see, it's running at about 60 milliseconds. It takes 60 milliseconds to classify one image, and that's running on the FPGA system here. So 61.5 megahertz. So if I turn it off, it will be running on the CPU fallback engine on the host, and you will see the inference time shoot up to around 400 milliseconds, even though this is running at 1 gigahertz. In the actual processor, your EV6x accelerator will not run at 60 megahertz, so we have extrapolated, and at a sweet spot for power and performance, 800 megahertz, you will run close to 200 frames per second. You can also go to a lower frequency to save even more power.
Great. Thank you, Mischa. So for more information, visit the Synopsys website. Thank you very much.